Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and in this video I want to share with you information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. We'll be covering the website, the front page, the content, the Google Business Profile, and backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see that you have the request quote button over here. You have a little bit of a description of the process, how it works, and a gallery links to the different services that you provide, some testimonials, as well as the contact us form over here. So overall, it's an easy to navigate and to browse website. On front page, perhaps you could add the contact us form at the top, so it's just very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. And let's talk about the amount of content. Right now you have 545 words, and content is really important because it's through content that you're able to push through more relevant value intent keywords. And to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. So if I have a look at two of your competitors, ASP, Windows, and Doors, these guys have 918 words in their front page, and Signature Impact Windows and Doors, they have 2,052 words. So definitely an opportunity for you is just to have a look at that content and just make sure that your front page and your website is sprinkled with relevant value intent keywords so that Google can understand what your website is about, and that it can find you, and therefore it can start indexing you and you can start ranking in the Google organic search. Now let's have a look at the value intent keywords. I came here to the Google search and I type in Impact Windows Miami. The first section that we see is the Google Ads, which is really good at driving traffic but can be very expensive if it's not done correctly. The second section is the Google Maps, and this section is driving between 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank here you need geotagged and optimized pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number have to be an exact match with the Google Business Profile details so that Google can verify them, and then you can rank at the top. The third section is the Google Organic Search, and to rank here, first your website needs to be built correctly, and then you need something that we call backlinks. So I have a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool I can see the back end of a website. And I can see here that your website has 67 backlinks. There are 24 external websites that are linking back to your website or directing traffic to your website through 67 links. If I have a look at ASP, these guys have 3,000 backlinks in 508 referring domains, and Signature, they have 1,009 backlinks in 260 referring domains. So another opportunity there is just to have a look at that backlink profile to strengthen it, and just make sure that you have backlinks that are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services and to your industry, so that Google can start regarding your website as an authority and you can start ranking up higher. And then your website is being found for 40 organic keywords. In this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times that keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position you are appearing in the Google organic search. So anything beyond the 11th, 12th position means that you're already on the second page of Google. So your website is not capable of attracting too much traffic. And you can see here that you're already ranking in a very, very high for the Google organic search. So let's have a look at ASP. These guys are being found for 6,300 organic keywords. And in here, I filter out by Miami only. And you can see here that they are ranking in the top position. So for example, Miami Impact Doors has a search volume of 200, and because they're in the first position, they were able to drive 57 visits to their website. Impact Windows and Doors Miami, 150 searches per month. They're in the first position. They were able to drive 55 visits to their website. So basically what you want here is that you want to identify what are the keywords that attract a higher search volume, because those are the ones that you want to have in the content of your website. So you want to maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers, because at the end you add up this volume, and that's the number of times your website was in front of those potential customers. And then a percentage of those are going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then another percentage depending on your closing rate, you will be able to land as new customers. And that's how improving your website translates into the growth of increasing the traffic and into the growth of your company. So I hope that you really like this video. Please feel free to use this information to boost the traffic to your website, and please don't forget to give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.